Drink up, what Drink it out. Is it not your headache? Me, I'm drinking my life.
You guys put any substance?
Bro, no.
Why would we do that? Are we that stupid? What are we doing? Put substances on your drink.
Don't you trust again?
Idiot. He be
I don't
ghost.
want to.
I be
Are you
ghost.
sure?
Very sure.
Perfect.
Very sure.
I'm telling you.
Put with us.
Walk the grace.
I'm coming, just wait, okay?
Okay.
Idiot.
Honorable.
He be ghost.
Honorable. Honorable.
The dog is set.
The dog. Cash money.
It's okay.
Idiot. He be ghost. I be ghost.
You say you guys say you're not put anything. You guys say you're not put
Idiot.
anything.
He be ghost.
Any-
I be ghost.
anything. Yeah, let me check my
Idiot. He be ghost.
But I thought
I be ghost.
I have said to you guys before just dashing you this money. Why do you want to take my life because of why do you poison my life? I thought I have given you guys money before going for this
Idiot.
business.
He be ghost.
I just dash you this
I
money
be
because
ghost.
I dash you small money. You want to take my hand, carry the money. I don't understand.
So it's not intentional.
Idiot.
Please,
He be ghost.
I beg.
Honorable.
I be ghost.
No,
Look at you do am.
No, you can't do it.
Now this is
Idiot.
where you divorce.
He be ghost.
I ain't going to do this.
I be ghost.
Don't do this now. Can't try to kill you now.
For 5 years now.
Idiot. He be ghost.
The dog,
I be ghost.
the dog. I'm really that
Idiot. He be ghost. I be ghost.
One of the yes.
Idiot. He be ghost.
At the
I be ghost.
West Mia Hotel. Do it very fast. They are very stupid people. Yes, they want to take my
Idiot.
life.
He be ghost.
Bandits.
I be ghost.
Okay, I'm coming. You guys will not take care.
Idiot. He be ghost. I be ghost.